Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back into our channel. If you're loving our content, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more awesome tutorials and reviews. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use lid.io, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly enter lid.io, or you can simply search it on Google, and kindly click the first link that come up, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, you will see some of the details about this platform. And basically, Lead.io is a video editing platform in which you can create AI videos from just text. You can also build customized AI videos with a presenter in minutes, without using camera studios and green screen. And it says here that this platform has been trusted by 2,000 plus companies around the globe. And if you scroll down below, you will see some of the details and feature that offers by this platform. And now that you know about the details of this platform, you can now start creating your own account. And to do that, kind of click the button that says Try Lee for free, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this tab. And in order to create your account, if you need to fill out your name, your email address, and create your own password, and make sure that the password that you created is at least 8 characters with a mix of lowercase letter and uppercase letter and a number. And after that, just check these boxes to accept the terms and condition and privacy policy. And proceed by clicking the Create Account button. And from here, all you need to do is to select your answer to that question, what you will create Lee videos for, and proceed by clicking the Continue button, in which the next thing that you need to do is to enter your company name in here. And I'm going to enter the company name as Webless and proceed by clicking the Continue button. And after that, finish the setup of your account. All you need to do is to select the answer to the question, what is your company size? So I'm going to select one to pipe and proceed by clicking the Finish Setup button afterwards. You can check your mailbox in order to confirm or verify your account, or you can simply skip for now image. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, and in the home page of Lay, you will see some of the feature that they offer, including to create your video from template, from AI storyboard, from URL, from e-commerce, and from presentation. And aside from those features to create a video, you can also bind sound option on the left side panel, and this option that you can navigate is the home videos, my templates, grade avatar libraries, and delete videos. And you can also find the support option in here, in which you can raise your concern regarding of the issue that you're currently experiencing in this platform. And if you want to create your own template, you can do that by clicking on My Templates on the website panel and proceed by clicking Create Template, which is located on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you the option that you can choose, such as regular templates, story templates, and e-commerce templates. Well below, you will see some of the preview design that you can use as a guide in creating your own template. And there's a variety of design that you can choose, but you can narrow it down by selecting some of the categories such as horizontal, vertical, and square ratio. But if you're looking for specific design, you can type on the search bar the design that you prefer. But in this video, I'm just going to select a template below, and let's say I'm going to choose this one, in which upon clicking on it, you will see how many parts of the video it contained. And as you can see here, we have 7 parts of this video. And if you want to customize this template and create your own template, you can proceed by clicking the button below that says Create Template. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, you will see some of the options that you can choose in order to customize this template. While in the lab site panel, you will see some of the parts of the video that it contains. In each part of the video contains the number of seconds or its video duration, and you can click some of the parts of the video and explore their content order details. And aside from that, you can now customize on the right side panel, sum up the options such as images, video sticker, and many more, in which by clicking on any of the media files, you can import it in this video. While on the corner of right side panel, you will see some of the editing tools that you can use in order to customize your own video template and those options including avatar text elements, uploads, record animation music, and many more. Let's say we want to add a text, so kindly click on Text Tools and enter the text that we want to add in our video. And from here, I'm going to type sample text, in which you will be able to customize the color of this text by clicking on this color. It will show you some of the option that you can choose in order to change the color of the contacts. And aside from that, you can also change the size of the context, the opacity, the layering, and the custom animation. But if you want to add other elements, you can proceed by clicking the element tools. And under the element option, you have the choices to remove, copy, paste, undo, and many more. You can also upload your own media files from your computer and import in here, in your video. All you need to do is to click this upload button. Well, if you want to record your own voiceover, you can proceed by clicking the record option, in which you can record your screen and add a recording to your video instantly while a side frame. That if you look down under the animation, it will give you the two options, such as enter and exit, in which each category it shows a variety of animation that you can choose. Those animations include trade, in, no animation, fade from left, fade from right, and many more. While under the music tools, you can customize the volume, or you can change the music. And to do that, you can either choose the stock music, in which free music that you can download that offers by this platform, or alternatively, you can choose to upload your own music files, and after that, under the template section or tools, you can still add other templates that offers by this platform, in which you will see a variety of preview design of this template. And aside from that, you can also change the context or the script that has been saying by the narrator, in which if you scroll down below, you will see the speech or the script that has been saying by this video. Well, if you go in the top panel, it will give you the three option of ratio of this video, such as 16:9:9:16 and 1:1. Now going back on below panel, you can customize the context or script that has been narrating in this video. Or alternatively, you can upload a voice or choose no speech, and after you enter the context or script, it will also enable you to choose your own accent. We have American accent, British accent, Indian accent, and different kind of accent that you prefer, so that is just how to use Lee.io. Thank you.